So let us see the second book, and this is question and answer about nature, and it also has 60 flaps, and you can see lot of content on which page, which, where, why, yes or no, and what. So which creature like live in rock pools? उसके आजू बाजू क्या रहता है? ये निशान किसने छोड़े? सबसे बड़ा ट्री कौन सा है? And you can see how beautifully they have shown this tree. 25 फ्लोर तक का हो सकता है, and it is redwood trees. इसी तरह which plants are this from? And you can see everything. And here you go, where butterfly कहाँ पे अंडे देते हैं? Where foxes go in the day, where the seeds are made, where rocks are made. Where can I find a tadpole? Where do clouds come from? Clouds कहाँ से होते हैं? Where can I pick wild berries? Where do birds build their nest? Everything has an answer and everything has a flap. See? Where are you taking that nut? The squirrel. So she is going to bury it. And before the winter, और ठंड में ये सब खोल के खाते हैं. So where are the biggest waves? You can open each and everything. This is why. Why do geese fly in a V shape? You know that? Can use air from the wings of birds in front. It makes them easier to fly. Why do bees make honey? Why do rabbits have a fluffy tail? Why do spiders make web? And why do moles make hills? Why do we need worms? We really need worms? Why are our beaks different shapes? Why do trees lose their leaves? Why don't trees grow up mountain tops? Okay, so what is the square foot? What's this? What is this? What's the difference between a rock and a fossil? ये बहुत बच्चे पूछते हैं. What are the different parts of flower? Easy. And what is this duck doing? What can I find on the seashore? ये बहुत cute है. What is a waggle dance? तो जो bees dance करती है वो है actually ये. And you can see everything here can be opened. I am a grub. Now I am a shiny beetle. ये उसके babies है सारे चीज़ के. Tadpoles, nymphs, cyanids, hermit crab के बारे में है. Can clouds tell us about the weather? And different clouds have different. ये आप लोगों को भी बहुत मज़ा आएगा. Look out these different clouds in the sky. And what do each one of them? अगर ऐसा cloud है तो क्या मतलब है? It should stay sunny. अगर ऐसा cloud है तो क्या मतलब है? No weather change is expected. तो हर एक cloud अपनी भाषा बोलता है. Is the moon as big as the sun? Do any night animals live near me? Really? So yes, certainly, most certainly, these are the night animals can be living near you. Can I find a butterfly? Feed a butterfly. You can feed a butterfly. Do you know which plants are seeds from? These seeds, and you have to see which plant they are from. So this is sunflower, and that way. Do all plants grow from seeds? So how many leaves does a tree have? How can I grow a flower? How old is this tree? How long a tree's roots? आपको खुद ही बहुत मज़ा आएगा ये पढ़ने में. How does a caterpillar turn into a butterfly? How far do rivers flow? How deep is this water? Be careful, river can be dangerous. The sun, who make these tracks? Who says twig too? Who made this? So build a bug hotel. You can do all this. another book